Thank you for visiting our channel. It's good to have you here. Good to have you back. And take notes, learn, incorporate, and improve your sweat issue. So, bromhidrosis. Bromhidrosis is sweat with bad offensive body odor. It affects individuals across different age groups. It's not new in the country. We have plenty of individuals with bromhidrosis, some of whom are aware, and there are those who are not aware of their condition, which is bromhidrosis. As explained before, there is a huge misconception between bromhidrosis and hygiene issues. Individuals with bromhidrosis, they shower, they have a good hygiene regimen or maintenance. However, they are not able to deal with the main issue because bromhidrosis, the way we approach bromhidrosis, we look at it from a holistic point of view. We are looking at the diet. We are looking at personal hygiene as well. You know, we can't rule it out, personal hygiene. We're also looking at the steps and the measures that the individual is taking to manage the situation, the sweat issue. And have they tried some coping mechanisms which these are coping mechanisms which are at their disposal. They are things that they can incorporate, that they can use to deal with the issue at hand. So I'm going to take you through some very important things that you can do, that you can also incorporate in to ensure that you're managing your bromhidrosis. Now, realize that bromhidrosis exists because of hyperhidrosis. There's the excessive sweating part, and then there is the odor. So we are looking at sweat that occurs in the groin area, sweat that occurs in the trunk, makalio. How can an individual manage bromhidrosis? Number one, let us look at the daily aftercare. I choose to call it the daily aftercare. How do you clean yourself? So it stems from that, from how you clean yourself to how you maintain yourself. And this is specifically for the region, the inguinal region. We are talking about the groin area and the trunk. So if you look at your groin area, how frequent do you manscape? How frequent do you womanscape? Do you shave your pubic hair, or do you have an afro? Now, to each his own. People are different. There are those who prefer to have a huge afro down there. No pun intended. However, do you do proper maintenance to ensure that the same afro does not cause, or rather it's not the cause behind your body odor? The best thing will be to trim, to shave. This is where the idea of manscaping and womanscaping comes in. So the action is you shave, and as soon as you're done shaving, don't just stop right there. Once you're done shaving, make sure you moisturize the skin around the region, the groin area. The action of shaving your pubic hair, it leaves your skin exposed. And don't think because the area is covered, it cannot be affected. You know, once the pubic hair has been shaved off, the skin is left exposed. So you need to moisturize your skin. And the best moisturizer to use is an equivalent of an orange oil with shea butter, or the shea butter with vanilla. There are different types, or mango shea butter. Use one of those or any of those to moisturize your skin. The good thing with shea butter, it has no chemical additives, and it's great for applying in such areas. You need to moisturize your skin after you've done shaving. That is very imperative, and always include it in your everyday personal care. So number one, we've talked about shaving. Make sure you shave. And the action of shaving also, don't be too rough. Reasons being the action of shaving, it leaves small microscopic cuts that you cannot see with your naked eye. But if you apply uh, mentholated spirit or surgical spirit, you'll feel the sensation. So the action of shaving, you need to be very careful. Again, you don't want ingrown hairs. You don't want to have ingrown in those regions, you know. And the reason for moisturizing is because you don't want to feel the itchy effect afterwards. Incorporate these useful tips into your regimen and share your progress. Share your progress, and we value your feedback. Thank you, and have a wonderful day ahead, and welcome to the situationship.